right now. We are actually witnessing a lot of firsts tonight. The first being we are seeing the Oppo F3 grace Philippine shores for the first time, and we are also seeing these two stars of the industry gracing the stage at the same time. Kamusta naman kayo?
Okay naman. Yes po, thank you all so much for coming here for the launch of Oppo F3. Salamat po.
Kamusta ka naman?
Yes, I'm happy that Alden is now part of the Oppo family.
Thank you.
So, and of course, ating mga influencers. Congratulations sa ating lahat.
Grabe, ang ibang klase. No, this is the first time actually we have so many influencers and ambassadors all in one stage, and this is a very special night tonight. Now, Sarah and Alden, in less than 2 months, we've seen Oppo release another phone. And how does it feel to be part of such a vibrant brand?
Oh, I'm very happy for the success of Oppo. Talagang word of mouth. Kahit sinong mapakinggan mo na ang ganda ng Oppo, halos lahat naka-Oppo na ngayon. Diba? Talagang Oppo is one of the fastest best-selling phone brands in the country. So maraming salamat po for choosing me as the first ever brand ambassador. It's truly an honor po na maging bahagi ng Oppo family.
Siyempre, you're all...
Yung kinakabahan daw ako.
Kamusta naman ang puso mo?
Ang puso ko, okay naman ang puso. Okay naman ang puso.
Gumaganon ba? Dumadagundong?
Dumadagundong.